inkosi ngaleso sikhathi kodwa wamethula ngokuthi Prince, this is a direct descendant of umntwana uDabula Manzi kaMpande wena kaNompondo wadla omunye uNompondo phakathi kwethu nabesilo sinezinyane lesilo umntwana ukwazi kwenkosi ongumna wesilo esehlalweni ophuma okhalweni lesilo esebusileyo umdlokombane siyathokoza kakhulu wena ohlanga lwamakhosi nabezitha umntwana ukwazi kwenkosi kaZwelithini nabezitha phakathi kwethu kukhona amakhosi asendlunkulu yakithi kwaZulu sishazisile inkosi uZondi kwaMpumuza lekithi kwaZulu Gagashi wena kaMancenza Loqo Nkosi yesizwe sithobeke kakhulu nabesilo ukuthi phakathi kwethu kukhona inkosi yesizwe sakithi eMalifeni inkosi uMlife sithobeka kakhulu wena wesilo phakathi kwabantwana bakhona kukhona umntwana uPhumlani kaHuzula wasendlini yaseNyonini siyathokoza kakhulu wena wesilo bakhona phakathi kwethu kukhona phakathi kwethu induna esiphelezela abantwana induna zobukhosi bakithi kwaZulu okuyizona induna zamabutho phakathi kwethu ukhona induna uDokotela uFakazi esimaziyo sonke nomlando wakhe nendlunkulu nokusebenza eduze kakhulu nesilo sebuzileyo isilo umdlokombane siyathobeka kakhulu uFakazi phakathi kwethu kukhona induna yeyinsizwa induna yesilo induna uShandu evela le mahlabathini kwelakithi kwaZulu sontshikazi angazi mbakubona yini noma babona intshebe nje phakathi kwethu sinenduna ehamba nabantwana induna yamabutho induna umncwango uShumla Madilozi uyeke lo Shumla Madilozi phakathi kwethu sinenduna evela khona kwaZulu induna uMdlalose uNdlamlenze entombeni uNdlamlenze eyinsizweni yanda phakathi kwethu sinomntana enkosi ozalwa noma ovela okhalweni lenkosi yesizwe saseMaqungebeni inkosi uNgobese sine sizwa ke engumntana enkosi ezwala yinkosi siyathokoza kakhulu wena kaSihayo phakathi kwethu sino Ndlunkulu umntwana ukwazi ukuthi ngimethula phakathi kwethu okhona phakathi kwethu siyakwethula Ndlunkulu si nezinduna zamabutho ezikhona ihamba nabantwana kodwa ke angikwazi ukungabaluli ubumqoka benduna uJubana kuyona exhumana njalo nendlunkulu noma exhumanisa indlunkulu kaZulu nendlunkulu yalapha kwaBulawayo siyathokoza kakhulu wena wesizwe wena wesilo kukhona ke amakhosi engilawulwayo ukuthi akhona phakathi kwethu inkosi yaseMancubeni nenkosi eqhamuka ezweni laseBotswana enginalo ke igama ukuligagula kodwa nonke ninabesilo enikhona ondabezitha nonke siyathobeka kakhulu kuleli qophelo kwesokwethula umntwana waseyibindeni umntwana uMthulani njoba sengeke ngabalula ukuthi yena owumlomo noma ukhulumela isilo nendlunkulu yakwaZulu siyathobeka kakhulu na ohlanga ndabezitha
undaba ngasidliswa lonke inkomo zamadoda uma ngahla siphale khitanga undaba ngazidliswe lonke inkomo zamadoda uma ngase siphange kethana Bathohlelo bengeke ngaqali ngokuba ngihube leli hube ngiqeda ukuhuba ngoba elelembe leqamanya amalembe ngokukhalepha ushaka ngiyamesabutho ushaka ngoba kuyinkosi yasemashobeni engikhola ukuthi silapha nje kungaye nokuthi sazi lelizwe ingoba iqhawe lakhe umzilikazi owasuka lapha eMkhuze wazofika kulelizwe ikho sithi azihubo leli hubo induna enkulu ushifu Dakamela esize ngaye lapha nosimemile ukuthi size sifike phakathi kwalendawo ngalomsebenzi omkhulu kangaka awenzile wokuhlanganisa isizwe sikhumbula isizwe sibuyele emuva ukuthi siqhamukapi siyakubingelela Dakamela sibonga kakhulu umsebenzi wakho ngibingelela amakhosi aseshiwo esihamba nawo engeke ngisachitha isikhathi nondaba nenkosi uMlefi nawo wonke induna ezikhona ubukhosi obukhona ngizwile ukuthi khona ubukhosi baseTanzania obukhona lapha nawo wonke amazwe nje akwiSADC esiphakathi kwawo ngenxa wesikhathi ngizoobserve nje yonke iprotocol abanye bekufanele ukuba ngibabize mhlawumbe kuyoba ngathi mhlawumbe mangaqala bese ngishiya phakathi kube ngathi bekhona uhlelo lokuba ngibashiye ngiyazi ukuthi ke sezweni sakwaMthwakazi phakathi lapha kulelizwe likaMzilikazi esaziyo sonke ukuthi kunomlando omkhulu okwathi ngesikhathi inkosi uShaka ngoba ngicabanga kakhulu ukuthi inkosi yayi spiritual ngengezwe lapha mabekhuluma abefundisi bevula bekhuluma ngereligion bekhuluma ngeculture kodwa ke umuntu uyayabheka ukuthi kusakhulunywa ngereligion neculture ireligion ke isuke ibe namahlelo ahlukene aphikisanayo neculture futhi iphinde ibe ngezizwe ezihlukene kodwa singabezomoya zakwantu sesikhulume ngespirituality okuyisona esiyifoundation yempilo yethu sonke nesenza ukuthi sonke sibumbane ngoba sona asinabandlululo asinalutho khumbula ukuthi uma inkosi uShaka kusuka izimpi esuka umzilikazi eMkhuze ezefika kulelizwe bese kusuka nozwangendaba esuka eDondotha ewelizambezi eziyofika eZambia befike behlukane bese kuqhamuka umphezini kuze kube khona umbhelwa kuze kube khona abaseTanzania yonke lento ikhomba ukuthi inkosi uShaka yayingesiye nje inkosi eyayithunywe ukuba ibe isilo samaZulu kodwa kwakuyisilo somhlaba wonke seAfrika yonke ingakho ke sibonga kakhulu ukuba khona nokuhamba kwethu ngibingelela nezikhulu zikahulumeni ezikhona phakathi kwethu mfoka Dakamela ngikhala kakhulu lokhu sisuke kwabulawayo eairport sihamba ngomgwaqo obuhlungu oyisimangaliso uma ulapha kulelizwe uzovuselela isintu sethu nokuthi singobani siyethemba ukuthi izikhulu zethu zikahulumeni ebeyihamba kulomgwaqo esihamba kuwo ziyothinteka kuze kuthi nangonyaka ozayo ngoba ngiyaye ngikuza ukukhuluma uthi ukhulumela intuthuko uyasho ukuthi isizwe sala enkayi abantu abaseleke kakhulu ngentuthuko kodwa intuthuko yomgwaqo khuluma kakhulu kwabakahulumeni ukuthi intuthuko yomgwaqo ingeyokuqala nje ngoba yona exhumanisa abantu sihambe kabuhlungu ngabe you travel for 7 hours mawusuka e-airport kwaBulawayo uze lapha enkayi ngithi angikusho lokho ngoba yona into yokuqala umuntu ayothi mayisebuya ngoba ususimemile eDakamela kuba size kuleli izwe likaMzilikazi sizohamba ngawo lomgwaqo esiyothola usungcono kakhulu ngiyathanda ukuthi ngoba kune team lapha size ngama awards and I understand ukuthi kunabantu mhlambe who might not catch up with my language as umZulu isiZulu kodwa ke ngizothanda ukuthi ngiye kwelika George greeting everyone today because we gather together to celebrate the rich tapestry of our nation's culture and honor the outstanding achievement of those who have made a mark in preserving and promoting our heritage, particularly our vigilant Ndebele, or I may say Zulu culture, because singamazulu sonke masilapha. So from the soul stirring rhythm of traditional Zulu music or Ndebele music to the intricate art of beadwork, our culture is a treasure trove of history, resilient and beauty. And today I'm told we recognize individuals who have dedicated themselves to keeping this tradition alive. So let's take a moment to appreciate Induna or Chief Dakamela and all those who are working with him to accomplish such a mission. We also congratulate the awareness, the awardees who've made significant contribution and excelled in their respective categories. So we say an event of this magnitude where people from different countries come together to celebrate that maybe we may be Ndebeles, we may be Shonas, we may be Shangans or any other, but the thing is we are black people and we are Africans and we are united, as I've said, apart from our culture, apart from our religion, but we are united in spirituality because spirituality is the foundation of our existence. So may the Almighty bless us all as we proceed with our work and with our deeds and all people who are going to be awarded today ngoba bonke abantu engibona ukuthi kukhona abagame ngakho abazobonga khona nombono kaDakamela ukuthi ngingabahlanganisa kanjani abantu akube ne-event. And also I can see ukuthi kunama banners ahlukene to those companies and those people and those organizations abanevuso lokuthi bamelekelele. We really wish ukuthi nathi as from KwaZulu sifika la sesize safika this far sizothi sizogcwalisa ukuthi silandela umzilikazi ukuthi wafike wakhala wakhanda isizwe esifisa ukuthi lesi sizwe sibambisane nezizwe esiphila phakathi kwethu. So ke egameni lobukhosi besizwe samaZulu nasegameni lombuso wakwaZulu nasegameni lesilo samabandla onke sithi siyakhuleka esizweni sakaMzilikazi, siyafisa ukuthi kube nokuthula, sibonga ukuthi phakathi kwenu kunenduna engekho nasembangweni ngoba angifuni ungakhulumi ngendaba zembango yobukhosi ngoba abantu sebahlala embangweni. Kodwa uma Dakamela usihlanganisa kanjena sikhohlwa ukuthi singobani kodwa size la as united as abantu abamnyama ababonakala ukuthi benza uAfrika. Sithokoza kakhulu ngakho ke sizobonga ngendlela ke ejwayelekile bese sishaya ihulwe lodwa siyohlala phansi ngoba siyabona isikhathi sesihambile. Ngibonile ke nawe Mkhwanazi ngoba ngomunye wama ambassadors akhona wena wendlovu wena wendlovu bayethe
ngomnyama esiyembeni sebe naza zomqalo songena ngomnyama kwamthasha walishisi sumqwa izwe walishisi sumqwa izwe songena ngomnyama esiyembeni songena ngomnyama kwamthasha walishisi sumqwa izwe walishisi sumqwa izwe walishisi sumqwa izwe
intaba emakhwanqa kamjokwane hebe ngashimhlambi yankomo ebishimhlambi yesinabasana obesixokolo singabatsha senkandla hade phephenza indlovu ukuba luphendule usibagotshela kalapha kwenkandla usishaya ndlondlo kamjokwana udabo cabe ngomkhonto heba amanye amakhosi ekaba ngamazephe ubhiyo sekunoma ngiphezulu hebe ngumela umpango kwabakanyuswa kwakungaba ngwalutho kwanyuswa kwakuba ngihlaka emanxweni bethi inteke intana amajuba ophekwa ngempisa nkulu ebikade pheka amakhosi kwaba kantombazi kodwa wavuthwa ukhange empisa hema kwavuthwa khange empisa hema sonkololo ukhange ncupha hema belanga kadliwa umxosho womuntu anxoshele futhi imthande xosho uswide ezola ngulanga wamthabatha laliphuma khona wamsingisa lalishona khona umasweselo wakithi ososela uswide ngama